please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'll be cooking some pumpkin rice and stew beef, yeah, and I'll be doing some chicken soup as well as appetizer. So stay tuned and watch the process. Down here I've got my beef, yeah, sprinkle some seasoning on top of it already. So I'm just gonna rub this in, yeah, just gonna rub this in and let it go on and let it sit for a bit. Then I get it in my pot, yeah man, yeah man. So stay tuned and watch the process. So I'm gonna get my apron and then I start the ball roll. So stay tuned, soon come guys. Yeah guys, I did say I'm doing stew beef. It's not stew beef, I'm doing some curry beef, yeah? Some curry beef, let me show you that. Just put some curry on it, yeah, curry. I've got jerk seasoning on it as well, garlic powder, and all-purpose seasoning, yeah? So I just want to rub in the seasoning. That's rubbing the seasoning, yeah. That's like that. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna get it in the pot. Just stay tuned. I'll show that to you as well. Soon come. But yeah guys, I'm gonna get the beef in the pot now. Stay tuned guys. So here I've got some chopped chicken. Yeah, chopped chicken. Alright, so I'm gonna get the chicken along with the garlic in the pot guys. And with some thyme. We're gonna put pumpkin in there as well. Right, I'm going to cook over here. This is a pot for pumpkin rice. Put some pumpkin in here as well. Pumpkin, nice with the pumpkin. Alright, check on my curry beef. So what's going on? There's steam coming out from the pot, guys. I hope you can see what's going on. It's coming on nicely. The aroma. Oh, I wish you could smell it. So meanwhile I'm cooking guys, I'm gonna prepare my vegetables to put in the curry beef, get my carrot and my onion and spring onion and all them things dice up. So stay tuned. As soon as I finish that Alright, let me check on the curry beef. So now I'm going to add vegetables guys. I've got like 1 chopped onion, I've got some thyme, I've got 3 cloves of garlic, chopped garlic, I've got some ginger, I've got bell pepper as well. Yeah. So I'm going to get it all in here. Like so. Give it a stir. Get some pimento berries in here as well. Yeah, like so. Yeah. At this point now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some water and then get the pressure cooker lid on. I'm gonna put it on so that the meat can, you know, be pressure cooked. Yeah. So stay tuned and watch the process guys. I've got some chocha to get to peel and some carrot to add in my soup pot. That's my appetizer over here. My pumpkin is cooking from pumpkin rice. So stay tuned, everything coming on nicely. Yeah, stay tuned. Soon come. Alright guys, I'm gonna add some chocha, carrot, spring onion, my sweet pot. Yeah. Chop carrot. Spring onion. Yeah, I'm making a little appetizer. A few berries as well. Show you what's going on. Let me check pumpkin over here. I'm gonna get my coconut milk and inside. Alright guys, I'm gonna get my coconut milk in. Then I'm gonna get some spring onion and thyme in there as well. Yeah. And I'm gonna put back the pumpkin in the pot as crush it out. Crush my pumpkin, so I'm gonna put it back in the pot. I didn't use no food processor, I just use a fork. You know what I mean? And just crush it. So yeah, I'm gonna make my pumpkin rice. So I'm just gonna add the all-purpose. And I'm gonna get a few berries as well. So I'm gonna add a little butter, guys. A little butter in there. Like so. Alright, I'm gonna leave this. Why? Oh, the flavor. What a flavor. Oh, the flavor is sensational, guys. Oh. Alright. Leave that now. Come for a while then. Yeah, I have the rice. Check out the soup. No food, guys, just vegetable. As I said, I'm making some appetizer. Just a little chicken in there, and some vegetables. We have carrot, we have chow and all them things, and we spring onion. No dumpling. Don't have any dumpling in here. Stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, I'm gonna check on my pumpkin rice and see what's going on. And let's sample it a little bit. Oh, yo, guys, this pumpkin rice right here, you don't have to eat this with any meat. So delicious. Maybe stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm gonna check on curry beef. Okay. Well, you already should properly mix some and tender. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some Irish and some carrots in there. Right, so let that one cook. And this is the appetizer, guys. So anyway, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Come on, around here. Let the stir fry with the cabbage, yeah, man. Stay tuned, guys. So come, I'm gonna check on my curry. If I'm gonna like butter, get some butter in here. See my pumpkin rice is finished. Appetizer, yeah. So everything coming together nicely, guys. Almost there. Just need a little more scotch on it. This is it, so I'm gonna have. Right there, guys. Curry beef. Oh my days, so tasty. So tasty. First, I'm gonna get some of the vegetables out like so. So delicious. Oh my goodness. Stir fried vegetable cabbage, that is. So yeah, looking good. It's a good look. Finger licking good. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Some cool. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna sample some of the soup now. Some of the appetizer. Yeah. Pumpkin soup. Yeah, man. No food in there, guys. Just vegetables here. You can see. Carrot and chocho and stuff, yeah. So now I'm gonna sample it. This is some carrot. Yeah, man. So delicious, guys. Yeah, man. Whoa, yoy! The real thing, this guys. The real Mackay. Yeah, man. If you love pumpkin soup, yeah, man, go ahead and try it, man. I'm telling you. There's no dumpling. I don't have no spinners and no dumpling and no yellow yam and them thing. Yeah, man, I just have some carrots, some chocho, you know, them vegetables, all them vegetables. Yeah, man. Yeah, tastes so good. So yeah, man, if it's your first time to the channel, please go ahead and smash subscription button. Yeah, man, and like up the video and share up the video with your friends and family members. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We're out here, around here, in my kitchen with Daddy D. So, catch you in another one, guys. But until then, peace out.